In this video, I am going to discuss about the reflection of a function. Let's start off with this easy function y is equal to x square, which is a parabola that goes through the origin. Vertex is at the origin 0, 0. I am going to reflect this function about the x-axis. So the new function is going to be like this, basically a reflection of the original function y is equal to x square. You can think of x-axis acting as a mirror. So if you put a mirror facing this blue parabola, what you're going to see inside the mirror is this green parabola. Of course, the color is going to be not the same, but you're going to see a reflection, exact same shape as this one reflected inside the mirror. So I would like to have that kind of change. To make that kind of change is rather quite easy. You just need to take the original function and multiply it by -1 or put negative sign in front of it. So if you have a function, if you put negative in front of it, meaning multiply it by -1, what in essence you are doing, you are reflecting the original function about this x-axis. So in general, if you have a function y is equal to f of x, if you rewrite this function as y is equal to negative f of x, what in essence you are doing is reflecting it about x-axis. It's a reflection about the x-axis. Remember, x-axis serves as a mirror. It kind of acts as a mirror in between these two graphs. So if you think of x-axis as a mirror, inside the mirror you will see the reflection of this original function. Okay? Now here is an example of a function y is equal to x cubed. I would like to reflect this function about y-axis. Unlike the last time where I reflected it about x-axis, this time I am going to reflect it about y-axis. Basically, I want to see a reflection of this function about y-axis. If I were to put a mirror right here along the vertical axis, what would I see? This is what I would see. It's not exact sketch, but good enough for you to understand. Now, if you reflect this function about the y-axis, this is what you get. Y is equal to x cubed. Now, this is the function I am reflecting, so the new function is going to be of this form. Y is equal to negative x whole cube. Okay? So that means in going from here to here, what I have done, I have replaced x with negative x. So basically, when you are reflecting a function vertically, that means about the y-axis, in essence you are reflecting replacing x with negative x. So let me summarize what I talked about in this function. I had y is equal to x cubed. I change the function to y is equal to negative x whole cube. The effect of this change, replacing x by negative x, is reflecting the function about the y-axis. Now I can generalize this concept to any function. If I have a function y is equal to f of x, if I were to replace x by negative x, that is, if I were to do the following, y is equal to f of negative x, the effect of this change is reflection of the original function about y-axis. Now, once again, keep in mind, y-axis serves here as a mirror. It acts like a mirror. That's what it is. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.